Are you looking to turn your passion into profit? Imagine having a steady income from your fans. Transform your digital products into a subscription service and create predictable recurring revenue. Just like David Killingsworth, who paid off his mortgage early with Sellfy. Sellfy provides flexible billing options that customers love. It ensures a seamless subscription experience, enhancing customer satisfaction. With Sellfy, enjoy the following key benefits. 1. Instant payouts directly into your account, so you get your money ASAP. 2. Unlimited product uploads with complete security for your files. 3. Built-in marketing tools that elevate your sales and boost your reach effortlessly. What sets Sellfy apart? Unlike Stan's store, Sellfy offers a fully customizable store with unique branding and easy embedding options. Start your journey to financial freedom today. Sign up for Sellfy and unlock your store's potential. Remember, it's risk-free with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try Sellfy free for 14 days, no card required. Kickstart your subscription business and connect with your audience now.